How to delete highlights on Instagram from iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually delete highlights on Instagram from your iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, you have to simply make sure to actually update the Instagram app to the latest version. If you haven't updated already, you could head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in Instagram and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Instagram, I'm going to open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now the very first thing we are going to do is from the bottom right hand side, we're going to tap on our Instagram profile picture and we will be taken to our Instagram profiles. And here you can see some of the highlights which I have added. Now I'm basically going to show you two things. The first is that if you want to delete a particular story from your highlights, and the other is that how you can delete the whole highlight itself. You want to remove and completely remove these highlights, and I'll show you how you can do that as well. Now first, let's get to the first process of actually deleting a particular photo from highlight. What you have to do is simply open that highlight right over here. You can see I have added two stories on this highlight. If I want to delete a particular story, what I will do is from the bottom right, I will tap on the more button. As I tap on the more button, you can see the option called remove from highlight. So what you could basically do is simply tap on remove from highlight. And this is first way to do this. You can see it says remove from photo from highlight. You'll still be able to see this photo in your archive. You can delete it permanently from archive. But then there is also another way to remove this photo from your highlight, and that is to actually edit this highlight. Tap on the more button again, and we're going to tap on edit highlight. And then simply uncheck these stories which you might want to remove from this particular highlight, right like this. Let's say I want to actually remove this highlight, then I'm going to remove that story from there and tap on done. And then I'm going to tap on the save button right like this. Now this is basically how you can actually delete a particular story from your highlight. Let's say you want to actually delete the whole highlight itself. The process is actually fairly simple. So let's say I want to delete this first highlight. What I will do is I will simply long press on it. As I long press on it, you'll be granted a bunch of these options at the bottom. You have the option called delete highlight right at the top of the screen. So you have to simply tap on the delete highlight button. And you can see the option called delete highlight. What you can do is simply tap on the delete button in order to delete that particular highlight, and you can see that that particular highlight has actually been successfully deleted. And this is how you can delete highlights on Instagram on iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.